Did you know the humble pepper, whether black, chili or bell, is packed with powerful health benefits? From boosting metabolism and enhancing nutrient absorption to fighting inflammation and improving heart health, pepper deserves a place in your daily routine. In this video, discover the science-backed benefits of different types of pepper and how to use them for flavor, fat loss, digestion and immunity. Black pepper, or known as 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 nigrum, type, spice, flavor, sharp, pungent, slightly spicy, grows in tropical regions like India, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, uses cooking, digestion, boosting nutrient absorption. Chili peppers, capsicum species, type spicy vegetable or fruits, includes cayenne, jalapenos, habaneros, bird's eye chili, grows in warm climates Mexico, India, Thailand, Africa, uses cooking, metabolism support, pain relief, topical. Bell peppers, sweet peppers, type sweet vegetable. Colors, red, yellow, green, orange, grows in worldwide, United States, Netherlands, Spain, Turkey, Mexico, uses salads, stir fries, roasting, rich in antioxidants. Pepper, whether black, chili or bell, is more than just a flavorful ingredient. It offers a variety of powerful health benefits. Black pepper, or 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 nigrum, is rich in piperine, a compound that, improves digestion and enhances the absorption of nutrients like curcumin from turmeric. It also acts as a natural antioxidant and has mild anti-inflammatory effects. And well, it may even support brain function and protect against free radical damage. Chili peppers, or capsicum species, contain capsaicin, which honestly boosts metabolism, helps burn fat, and may reduce appetite. Plus, it supports heart health by improving blood circulation and lowering cholesterol. Chili peppers also offer natural pain relief when applied topically or consumed in moderation. And they're rich in vitamin C, which of course boosts immunity. Bell peppers, or sweet peppers, are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. They promote eye health, support the immune system, and help maintain healthy skin. Also, they're low in calories and high in fiber, which is just great for weight management and, digestion. There are even more benefits, actually. Bell peppers have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They offer heart protection by improving circulation and reducing cholesterol. They also aid digestion by stimulating enzyme production and can support weight loss through their thermogenic fat-burning effects. Plus, they boost immune support, especially thanks to their high vitamin C content. But when it comes to pepper, sometimes it can be a bit problematic. Too much black pepper may irritate the stomach or, cause heartburn. Excess chili pepper can lead to stomach pain, acid reflux, or even ulcers in sensitive individuals. And capsaicin creams, those might cause a burning sensation or skin irritation. Plus, folks with allergies or IBS might be sensitive to peppers, especially the spicy ones. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.